As someone who has been working in Agile for over a decade, I know firsthand that changing someone's mindset can be a challenging task. There are several reasons why people may be resistant to Agile, including fear of change, preconceived notions, and lack of understanding. There are ways to overcome these challenges and help non-Agile mindset embrace this methodology, especially Scrum framework. One approach is to educate them about Agile and its benefits. Examples are increased flexibility and adaptability. Agile methodology emphasizes flexibility and adaptability to change, which is particularly valuable in a fast-paced business environment where requirements and priorities can shift quickly. And Agile teams are equipped to respond to changing needs and requirements quickly and effectively, allowing organizations to deliver high-quality products and services that meet the evolving needs of their customers. Another benefit is enhanced collaboration and communication. Agile methodology places a strong emphasis on collaboration and communication between team members, stakeholders, and customers. This helps to foster a culture of transparency, trust, and teamwork, which can lead to better alignment between business goals and product development outcomes. By working closely together, team members can share ideas, provide feedback, and solve problems more effectively, leading to higher quality products and more satisfied customers. But let me give you one more benefit. How about faster time to market, right? Agile methodology is designed to help teams deliver high-quality products quickly and efficiently. By breaking down work into smaller, more manageable chunks, teams can focus on delivering working software or products in a short amount of time. This allows organizations to get products to market faster, which can be a significant competitive advantage in today's business environment. Additionally, Agile's emphasis on continuous improvement helps teams to identify and eliminate inefficiencies in their processes, leading to even faster delivery times over time. And those are all benefits. And there are a lot more than these three, but they're my favorites. So, what can you do more in changing someone's mindset effort to Agile? Well, you can show them case studies and success stories that demonstrate how Agile can help teams become more efficient, effective, and adaptable. Another way to convince someone to embrace Agile is to lead by example. Invite them to observe an Agile team in action or have them participate in a pilot project. Seeing the benefits firsthand can be a powerful motivator. It's also important to start small when implementing Agile. And why? Because trying to make sweeping changes across entire organization can be overwhelming. Instead, start with small pilot project or team to demonstrate the benefits of Agile. Once people see the results, they may be more willing to adapt Agile practices more broadly. I guess I would probably start with addressing concerns in another critical aspect of changing a non-Agile mindset. Some people may fear the Agile will disrupt their work or that they won't have as much control over the process. It's essential to address these concerns and be transparent about changes that will be made. Show them how Agile can actually increase their control and visibility into project. Okay? And finally, encouraging collaboration is key to Agile success. Agile is all about working together, sharing ideas, providing feedback. So encourage team members to collaborate and communicate with each other. Fostering a culture of trust and teamwork is essential for success in Agile. So As you can see, changing a non-agile mindset takes time, patience, and persistence. It's crucial to be willing to listen to concerns, address questions, and celebrate small wins along the way. With the right approach and mindset, anyone can help their team or organization embrace Agile and reap its many benefits. If you are feeling overwhelmed and need some help transitioning to Agile, I want to let you know that I've been working very hard for past 2 years to create an educational program specifically designed for companies like yours. This program can help you navigate the complexities of Agile and make the transition smoother and more effective. So if you are ready to take the next step towards Agile transformation, I encourage you to check out the program in the first link in the description. It's packaged with the practical tips, real-world examples, and expert guides to help you successfully implement Agile in your organization. Don't miss out this opportunity to improve your team's efficiency, productivity, and overall success. Check the link now to learn more. Goodbye.